Alright, what's guys, it's Coded, and today we are going to be taking a look at this video called Experiment Hydraulic Press 100 Ton versus 75 Rubik's Cube. Not Rubik's Cubes, but Rubik's Cube. So I'm not sure about the grammar there, but we'll take it. Now before we start the video, I just want to remind you guys that if you aren't subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend you do because you upload videos each and every single day, and the worst that could possibly happen is that you unsubscribe later, so might as well just subscribe right now so I don't forget. Anyways, let's get right into the video, shall we? Alright, so we're starting off with a warning, don't try this at home. Not really sure if that's possible. You know, I don't think many people own a hydraulic press, but if you do, then yeah, definitely don't try this at home. Dude, I'm loving the music right now. Okay, what cube even is this though? I have no idea. Like, it doesn't look like a speed cube, so it's like some really cheap dollar store cube, but I don't know. Okay, so you got the 75 Rubik's cubes. Dude, the music is like really getting to me right now. Alright, it's going down now, it's going down. Now, okay, what do I think is going to happen? I think that the cubes are going to hold up for a while because, you know, cubes are a little bit flexible, so it should press down on plastic a little bit, and it should be able to hold for about a couple seconds, but then everything's just going to start exploding, and because cubes aren't solid, you know, they're just going to explode into their little pieces. After that, I don't really know, let's just continue watching. Alright, and is it going to hold? It's held! Oh my gosh. Dang! Like, it's just going to keep on going down until it just breaks every single thing. Oh my, it's really just going off there, isn't it? Yeah, it is not stopping for anything. And oh, those last few pieces, I feel so bad for them, you know, everything else kind of got out of the way, but those last couple pieces just got completely flattened. Oh my gosh, look at that. Alright, well, that was not disappointing at all. That was exactly really what I expected it. Are they doing like some kind of reverse thing? Okay, I see you. You know, really stepping up the production quality. As you can see here, just like all the pieces are like, you know, flying out and now they're going back. Yeah, there was a bunch of cubes just like getting out of the way. Wow. Alright, well, that was fun. I guess we're gonna get a different angle now. It should be like the exact same thing. I see it from the side. See how many cubes are just falling out. Yeah, okay, there's some cubes in there that got like completely unscathed. Like, okay, definitely the ones on the bottom on the side. I feel like most of the center cubes got completely destroyed, but then some of the side cubes kind of got, you know, hit out of the way. Yeah, definitely those side cubes got lucky, but you can't really say the same about like the middle ones. Yeah, okay, it like completely flattened it. Like, it did not stop until it was super flat. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can see all the screws, all the metal parts also. I'm seeing like some bent metal here and there. That's super cool. Alright, and now we're going to get a little shot on the bottom. I mean, wow, look at that. That's so many cubes. Yeah, you see there? Yeah, that red cube got completely untouched. You can't really say the same about the other ones. Here and there you'll find ones that aren't completely disassembled, which is pretty nice. Yeah, and there's the top. Wow, look at that. You see like the cores got completely flattened. Just all the colors going off there. Wow, okay. Alright, well, that was oddly satisfying, and I hope you guys felt the same. Alright, anyways, that's all for this video. Once again, if you aren't subscribed to the channel, I highly recommend you do because we upload videos each and every single day, and the worst that could possibly happen is that you unsubscribe later, so might as well just subscribe right now so you don't forget. Anyways, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.